love. Your friend thought you were doing the wait they don't love you like I love you, but you just wanted to sneeze.
You know what? Let's play a game called Flip You.